Charlsie, and I am super excited to share this recipe with you because it's a hamburger. And you think, well, I'm carnivore, I can't have a hamburger. Well, there's a secret ingredient here that you're going to find out about. And I'll give you a hint. They're made with eggs and cream cheese, and I didn't make them. I picked them up at the grocery store, so that is so cool. So anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious burger, and give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. So today I'm going to show you how to make a carnivore hamburger, but I'm going to use some different things, not just your regular old ground beef. I'm going to use this meatball meatloaf blend. So it is beef, pork, and veal. These make the best burgers ever, and it's the Wahlburgers brand. I pick them up at Publix, and they put them on sale pretty often, so I'll grab 4 packs whenever they go on sale. But the thing I'm most excited about are Cloudies. This is your bun, and I'm going to show you. The only place that I've seen these are at Publix, so I'm sorry if you don't have a Publix nearby. That's what they look like. And that actually gives you that sensation of a bun with your burger. And you do have to warm them up, but I'll show you that in just a few minutes. So let's mix up our hamburger blend. And I'm going to use Paul Prudhomme's Burger Magic, which I'm obsessed with. I even used it last night on my steak. I did a butter blend with this. Wow, so good. And of course, Redmond Salt. If you haven't tried Redmond, you just need to do it. I mean, I heard people talk about it for months, and finally I bought some and never go back. Okay, so to make these burgers, I'm just going to put this all in a bowl. And something I recommend, I didn't do it today, but many times when I'm making any kind of beef, I will pre-season. So, you know, with these little Pyrex bowls, they have lids. So you can just put your burger meat in a bowl, season it really well, and then put it in the fridge for, you know, a couple hours or even overnight. So just break this up a little bit. And I mean, I'm preaching to the choir. You know, in making burgers that you don't want to overwork the meat. So eyeball it and just salt, maybe half a teaspoon of Redmond's. I'm going to be much more liberal with the hamburger seasoning. And again, if you're a carnivore and you have a sensitivity to seasoning, just skip it. Trust me, just this blend, if you can find it, with the pork, veal, and beef, is going to give you a lot more flavor than just regular ground beef. Oh, we found some ground beef recently at Walmart that was it 73% beef and 27 fat? Wow, fantastic burgers. So I'll just blend this up a little bit more, and then I'm just kind of divide it by 4 little piles. They don't have to be perfect, but closer. Sometimes I actually will weigh them so that I know how much protein I'm getting. But this was a pound, so these are about 4 ounces each. Then, you know, I'm a kitchen gadget girl. I like stuff. And this we bought because we were doing a lot of grilling last year. And these just make the perfect little hamburger patties. And I've had these in the past, but this one just works so well because the burgers don't stick. And there you go. You can cook these on a grill. You can cook them on your stovetop, and that's what I'm going to do today because we've got some thunderstorms rolling in. So we won't be outside grilling today. And I like these because they cook evenly because they're about the same size. And some people are like, well, how many of those do you eat? I am one of those people that I just let my body tell me, okay, you're full. So sometimes it's just one patty, one little hamburger. Sometimes it's a double patty if I'm just feel like I'm really hungry. So listen to your body. I am not the carnivore police, and I think that everybody is unique, and all of us that are adopting this lifestyle need to be aware of that. You know, we moved here to the Gulf Coast from Louisiana, so we were very, very used to seasoning everything. So I do. And there are some people that absolutely don't use anything. So here's your burgers. I'm going to show you on the stovetop how they cook up, and then we'll build our hamburger carnivore style. Cast iron pot's heating up, it's getting pretty hot, and if you don't have something to store your bacon fat in, because if you're a carnivore, you're probably eating a lot of bacon, I suggest you get one. This one's really cool because it's got the screen and you can screen off all the bits of bacon. So I'll just melt that down. It's bubbling. So we'll take 2 of these burgers. And there you go. I usually do them 3 to 4 minutes per side. I don't want them overdone, but I do like that crust. The heat is at level 8, so just shy of high, so that we'll get that nice crusting on the outside. So that's your burger. I'm going to put the Cloudies in the oven to heat up, and we'll show you the finished product soon. So the finishing touch is just a little tab of butter on top. Let that melt into your burger. And then you have a butter burger. These 2 aren't quite done, so I'm going to let them go for a minute. But I'll take these out, and then we're going to build our burger, and I'll show you what it looks like. So let's assemble the burger. Here's the Cloudie. So see, looks like a little bun. I like this avocado mayo. Again, if you're not eating any plants at all, skip it. But it definitely does not cause me any issues. So I'm going to put that a little bit on the top and the bottom. And then we've got our burger. So these turned out pretty thick. So I'm just going to go with 1. Although if you were really hungry, you could double stack that. And then you can add some cheese. And there you go. That's your burger. And you'll cap it off and enjoy.